Okay, what's up YouTube? This is my video bike check. I got premium whiskey bar, 8 1/4 rise, 20-inch width, I think, and burgundy, red, whatever. Got the Colt Faith grips, black. They're real good. Regular bars that come with them. And I have Colt Salvation stem. Top load, pretty cool. I have FSA headset. You can see that, yeah. Got the Colt Sect forks. Pretty sick. Got the Fly Reuben 20 by 2.25, the regular one, not the folding one. Yep. And I got Odyssey Quadrant rim to a Primo N4 FL hub. It's real good. It's real good. I have an Odyssey JPEG in front. The rim is good, but I just don't like the way it's laced. So it's pretty gay, so I'm gonna change that up soon. Got an animal strip seat in white, and the animal pivotal seat post in green. And they're both not mine, they're friends. I have a Colt seat and a Shadow wedge post, but the wedge post, it's messed up, and the seat it's cool, but I don't like it because it's too thin. But yeah, whatever. Then I have integrated seat clamp. Got premium cranks that are like real old, but they're good. Yep, and I have a Odyssey JC pedals, JC PC, whatever. Got Shadow lighter sprocket. It's real good. It hasn't worn down at all. Just a little bit. Had it for like a month now. I have a Shadow Interlock V2 chain, or whatever, the new one. Animal ASMR tire. Hold on, let me look for it. Yep, 20 by 1.95 or something, the small regular size. Got a G-Sport rib cage rim. Yeah, and I have a Shadow Raptor hub, 9-tube driver. Yep, I have a Primo binary peg, the regular one, not the plastic weird one. Got some cheapo hub guard that I made. It's like cardboard and duct tape. It's whatever. Yeah, it works, and it's super light. Yep, and I have a premium death trap frame. It's real good. It's a little heavy, I guess, but you get used to it. It's real good. Yep. And I think that's it. Yep. So yep, comment or whatever. I don't know what subscribe means, but go for it. Yep. Thanks for watching. Yeah.